Ezra nitafutie tu bedroom ya 20,000 hapo Nakuru. Folks, niko hapa mtaa wa Teachers. Kutoka hapa Teachers, kutoka mahali niko precisely mpaka Tao ni dakika 20, dakika 10 peke yake. Okay, 20 labda ni wakati kuna jam pale section 58 roundabout, ama wakati kuna jam pale State House, lakini kawe ni mjanja unapita section 58 kule chini. Kama ujui, ukishabuki nyumba nipigie simu tena niambie Ezra, kuja unionyesha Nakuru, nionyesha machuoms, how do I pass here to get there? I'll be glad to show you around. Sawa sawa. So niko hapa Teachers ndani ya apartment, brand new, 20,000 Kenya shillings, 2 bedroom, master and suite. There are things to love here. Let's go inside uangalie. The face of the apartment yenyewe ndo hivyo vile unaiona, G+4, G for ground floor and then 4 levels up, 4 levels above. Okay, so now let's start. So kitu ya kwanza kabisa, ukishatoka kwa staircase, okay, ukishatoka kwa staircase ukifika hapa, you have 2 units on either side, na kila unit iko na gate yake. Unaona kama hii hapa. So that balcony pale, balcony zote ni private except kuna kikombe ilikuwa pale nikaa kuna mtu alikuwa anakunywa uji akasahau, but don't mind it, well and good. So kisha lock hapo, unaona kila unit iko hivi, iko na gate yake nje hapo. You enter, you lock, and that is your private space. So hakuna mtu atawahi kuja pale kama si wewe ama mtu wenu. Alright, so wacha sasa nifungue hivi. Exactly, on the front balcony, there it is. Maybe I can show you the parking before we go inside. There you can see kama gari yetu ndo ile pale chini na zingine ziko pale. So parking, it is work in progress. Soon itakuwa na cabros pale, but people have already started to book. So hii unit imekuwa ikifanyiwa usafi, omo iko hapo, don't mind it. Tuko hapa kuangalia nyumba yenyewe, si ndio? Alright, so that is the sitting room, okay? Ndo hiyo hapo, ndo hiyo sitting room hapo. Sitting room ni massive, ni spacious kabisa kabisa. Leta 7-seater. For those ambao upenda sitting room kubwa, I highly recommend you consider this unit. Alafu iko na massive window again. Angalia hapa, okay? Angalia hii dirisha yote. Ukitaka kujua dirisha ni massive, iko na this upper side ya ku-open, hapa hivi katikati double volume, alafu kule mwisho tena pande ingine ya ku-open. Okay, it is quite a massive window. So ukiwa pande ya ndani, lots and lots of natural light. Look at that. Isn't it wonderful? Yeah, exactly. So ndio hiyo sitting room yenyewe hapo, the lounge rather. Okay, vile tu utaamua kuita. So in terms of power sockets, kuna ile iko pale, ile ni TV, ile ni ya power, na zinakuja double na ile pia ni ya power pale. Aya, sasa tukienda hivi ndani, we continue to the rest of the home. I love the kitchen, stay tuned muone hiyo jikoni. So ukifika hapa, you have separate toilet and bathroom. Bathroom and toilet on separate sides, and there is a sink right there. Of course kuna hot shower. Ukisha press your button ya red, maji inakuja ikiwa moto. Alafu hapo katikati at least, you know, kuna this space hapo which is important. Sasa tuende my favorite part in this home. One of my favorite rather. I love the lounge, then the kitchen is my second favorite. Now look at that kitchen, okay? First, it is spacious, okay? It is massive. Second, we have enough worktop space for food preparation. Okay, in another space ungepata maybe sink iko still somewhere here, and then you have that smaller working space, but on this one the sink is totally on the other end. Okay, sink iko pande yake kabisa, and then you have a double sink right there. So nikisimama hapa hivi, yeah, that's how things are looking inside the kitchen. There it is. Sindio, you can see you have some storage hapo. Zile chuma ideally ni curtain rods, zinafaa ziekwe pale juu. Alright, and then you have like a pantry on that end, you know, which is great. Sindio, yeah, that space hapo for now ni grinder iko pale, so don't mind. Amina, fundi hawajatoka site kabisa, okay, but people have booked units kama za juu mahali niko already, kuna watu wanaishi. So bado some final touches hapa na pale. So now another thing I loved here ni that laundry space hapo nje. Angalia, you can see there is a tap pale. Yeah, kuna tap hapo hivyo, and then on the other end, alafu okay, kuna vile inaka double sink pia kiplani. There is one on the left and one on the right. Sasa kupika pale karibu ile ingine iko na some construction dirt, so wacha nisionyeshe hiyo kwa camera, si ndio? But at least hivyo ndo balcony inakaa. Yeah, you've gotten to see that. And hizi ngazi bado hazijatolewa zote, but exactly, so zitatolewa tu alafu nyumba ikue sambamba, si ndio? Alright, I really love this kitchen, inakaa fiti sana.
Hello, my name is Miriam Njuguna from Vasha Furniture. Thank you so much for choosing Vasha. We sell household furniture such as sofa sets, dining tables, coffee tables, zote zenye unataka. As you can see from our shop, tuko nazo on display and they are very beautiful. We have spring cushions, normal cushion, back permanent, zote tuko nazo. We thank you, our customer, for always shopping with us. Those who have come and given us good reviews and also referrals, we appreciate so much. Thank you so much, even for our dear customers and everybody who has shopped with Vasha Furnitures. So we are located in Nakuru, behind Westside Mall, along Government Road, just after Nawasco. Utatupata. Our shop is known as Vasha Furnitures, and my number is 0723484511. Feel free to reach out for any questions or any information that you may require. Thank you so much and welcome to Vasha.
Aya, sasa tukienda hivi, we are going now to the bedrooms, ndio. So this is the guest bedroom. Okay, there it is. So this one comfortably accommodates a 5x6 bed. Okay, 5x6 ndio naweza recommend hapa. Alafu wardrobe zake ziko hii pande nyingine. That's how they are looking from top to bottom. Okay, from ceiling to floor. So hiyo space hapo 5x6 I highly recommend. Kama uko na double decker iko sawa. Okay, double decker ama 5x6 bed mbili nazo kuingia hapa itakuwa kizungumkuti. Bed mbili za 4x6 maybe zinaweza squeeze zikienda hii pande, zikienda hivyo labda zinaweza squeeze hivyo straight, moja ifike pale na nyingine ifike kule. Okay, utakuja upanga, but mimi nishakwambia ile ambayo ni ideal. Okay, so I will lock this door here. Hii ni imetutoka kwa sitting room. Then on the opposite hapa tuende kwa the primary bedroom ama master bedroom, ndo huku ndani. Okay, master bedroom ndo hiyo hapo. So kwa master bedroom hata 6x6 inaingia. Okay, inaweza toka mahali kwa zile tiles sijui ngapi ikikuja hivi across kuja kwa mlango huku. But if you put it horizontal, kichwa iende, like if the headboard goes that end, then you can only do a 5x6. Headboard ya 6x6 haiwezi tosha kwa ile space, but 5x6 inatosha. So 6x6 unless if face this other side. Okay, if face this side hivi ndo 6x6 inaweza toshea, otherwise ni space mzuri. Wardrobes kwanza angalia hapo hizo zote, where enough space. And then you have a bathroom on this end with a sliding door. Okay, sink hapo namna hiyo, toilet seat pale, bas hii mlango hapa hivi ni sliding. Okay, leo wameiunda pale, una slide hivi, unafungua unaingia, una slide unafungua unatoka. So that's how it is. So kama kuna 6x6 unless headboard iface huku ama iface kule. Okay, iface kule headboard, like unataka kupangia nyumba, headboard ikiface huko ndo 6x6 inaweza tosha. But typically if you have a 5x6 ingia hapo katikati, now you have these other space hapa, you know, like room inside, more room inside your bedroom, which is awesome, sindio? So that's how it is, 2 bedroom for 20,000. Niko hapa Teachers. I love the kitchen, I love the lounge more. Okay, and then I love that laundry area pale nje, that one I love it. And then of course having a separate toilet and bathroom, at least no wet toilet stuff. And then this one here for a single bed hapo iko awesome, the same kule. And yup, that's how it is. Wow, look at that. Alafu I love this massive window. This is like another favorite part, another favorite thing that I love. You know, me, I'm a fan of lighting in the room, natural lighting in the room. So when I see massive windows, I just love it. And actually in this crib I've noticed they are well lit, all the rooms here. Very well, so my number is 0791055678. Hit me up, WhatsApp me, or call me, send a message, etc. to bring you here to book a unit at this apartment. The rent is 20,000 Kenya shillings and we are in Teachers, Nakuru City. See you in the next one, and subscribe to ONDARA TV on YouTube for more from Nakuru and beyond the city. Follow us on TikTok on Ezra ONDARA TV, on Facebook on Ezra ONDARA TV. Exactly. Don't miss anything real estate from Nakuru, because Ezra ONDARA, like I always say, when it comes to house hunting in Nakuru, Ezra ONDARA is the way, the truth, and the only way. Aya.